Here's a little taste of Ken's Garage paintless dent repair. See that? That's not the tightest body panel fitment there. I don't think I can do much for this thing. I have the door panel off. I was able to get the speaker out. We got some significant denting in this area here. I might be able to push some of it out. I don't know. I'm going to try. Alright, I gave up on my paintless dent repair. I put this back together. I'm going to do a practice door removal now because I may go to a junkyard and get a replacement door and fender for this thing. Taking a door off of these things is pretty easy. There's 4 nuts and a bolt holding the little stopper thing. Then you have to pull the cables out of the car. I'm going to disconnect them. I'm going to lay this thing on the ground and see if I can pound out some of that edge dent stuff right here a little bit. Alright, let's see if I can pop this fender out a little bit. It's all caved in right here. It's not going to be very cooperative. Yeah, those paintless dent repair guys got nothing on Ken's Garage. That's looking beautiful there. Do you think I can get this door back on by myself? Yeah, I don't know. Might have to call for some of the support staff. We'll see. When you have no friends, you learn to do things by yourself. I'm going to plug those in. God, that looks good. I had to hire some help, I admit it, just to get the door held so I could get these nuts in here. Here we go. I got the door bolted up. I haven't shut it yet. I want to see if it looks any better. It does look better, actually quite a bit. This was sucked way in, and this was bent way in. It definitely looks better. That's probably the extent of the paintless dent repair Ken's Garage is going to do on this car. I think I need to get a fender and a door and then paint it to match. My daughter wants to get another car, and I'm trying to get her to keep this thing and kind of just run it down instead of wasting a lot of money on a different car. I think I only took a photograph earlier where I could put my hand in here, fingers. So it's improved. It's not quite 100%. It's about a 99% fix, wouldn't you say?